Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Well, on behalf of Satkan Education Services, another online class is being conducted to cover another chapter from the literature section. So today we are going to cover a poem, There's a Good Time Coming. According to the sequence, this is chapter number 4 of the book. Well, the poem There's a Good Time Coming, it is written by Charles Mackay, who was born in 1814 and died in 1889. He was a Scottish songwriter and he was born in Perth. His mother died while he was an infant, and later on he went to school in verses in 1828 and began writing verses in both English and French. Then he returned to London and worked for the Morning Chronicle till 1884 and then became editor of Argus. Besides his extremely popular songs, some of which still live, Mackay wrote books on travel, history and biography and was a good all-rounder journalist. So let's see what does he say in stanza number 1 and 2. There's a good time coming, boys, a good time coming. We may not live to see the day, but earth shall glisten in the ray of the good time coming. Cannonballs may aid the truth, but thought is a weapon stronger. We will win our battle by its aid. Wait a little longer. So, the poet shows through his poem that he is an optimist. He is a believer of good time. He believes in himself, he believes in his positivity, and he believes that a good time is about to come. We would have to wait a little longer, or maybe that his generation would not be able to see that good time, but our and his coming generations would definitely see that good time, when the earth will glisten, when the earth will shine with peace and prosperity, because the good time is about to come. Cannonballs may aid the truth, but those of weapon is stronger. Although the weapon is stronger, weapon may kill the people, and it does kill the people, but even then the battle would not be won by the with the help of the arms or weapon, but with the hope, with the positivity, with the brotherhood, with positive gestures, the battle would be won. Now, stanza number 3 and 4. There's a good time coming, boys, a good time coming. The pen shall supersede the sword, and right, not might, shall be the Lord. In the good time coming, worth, not birth, shall rule mankind, and we acknowledge stronger. The proper impulse has been given. Wait a little longer. Again, showing his pessimistic nature, he makes us believe that good time is about to come, where there will be peace and prosperity, where education, knowledge would be given priority, where the power of pen will be admitted, where not only the sword would be able to decide what is right or what is wrong, or any other kind of weapon or any other kind of arm that is not going to decide that who is right, who is wrong. There would be something mightier, there will be something more precious, more powerful than the sword itself, where the right would be considered पावरफुल, नॉट द माइट, यानी जिसके पास ताकत है सिर्फ वो ही सही नहीं है, लेकिन जो हकीकत में सही है, जो सही बात करता है, जो सही फैसला करता है, वो ताकत में आएगा. were not built shall rule mankind. इंसानियत जो है that would rule mankind and be acknowledged stronger. और इंसानियत की अहमियत होगी, इंसानियत को प्रायोरिटी दी जाएगी. The proper impulse has been given. Although since the process is too long, the process of peace and prosperity, it does not come in days, but it does take centuries. So obviously centuries has gone. The struggle of mankind has been gone through a very long phase. So now the time is about to come where this struggle is going to finish and man is going to actually rule the world. So the impulse has been given. Now see stanza number 5 and 6. There's a good time coming, boys, a good time coming. War in all man's eyes shall be, a monster of iniquity. In the good time coming, nations shall not quarrel then to prove which is the stronger, nor slaughter them, nor slaughter man for glory's sake. Wait a little longer. He is so hopeful about the good time, and he says that so many wars have been taking place in the world so far. Thousands of people have been killed, millions of kids have been killed, millions of people have been destroyed, houses have destroyed, nature has destroyed, trees have been destroyed. So a lot of destruction has been taking place in the world and among all the nations, just to prove their power. So he believes that time would come that people would start hating the wars. People would stand themselves, and not only of those countries who are progressive, who are not in power, okay, but the people of those countries who are powerful, they would take a stand, they would stand against them. They would not any longer allow their rulers to kill the people, and they would consider the war a monster, and they would be totally against it. And at that time, the rulers of the nation, they would have to decide not to quarrel, not to fight with each other, not to kill people, not to kill children, just to prove that they are stronger, they have power, their army is strong, they have more weapons, they have powerful weapons, they have more modern weapons. So at that time वो इंसानियत को ज़िबा करने के लिए तैयार नहीं है, जस्ट अपनी ताकत को जो है, अपनी ताकत की धाक बिठाने के लिए, अपनी ताकत को साबित करने के लिए they would totally neglect this idea. वो उस आइडिया को मुकम्मल तौर पर रिजेक्ट कर देंगे. But we would have to wait a little longer to see that time. Now see stanza number 7 and 8. There's good time coming, boys, a good time coming. Let us aid it all we can. Every woman, every man, the good time coming. Smallest help if rightly given. Make the impulse stronger. It will be strong enough one day. Wait a little longer. Now I believe that the most beautiful stanza the most beautiful message has been given in stanza number 7 and 8, and he again activates our mind again, जिसे कहते हैं ना झंझोड़ना हमारे दिमाग को, and to give the message that a good time is about to come, but it's not only the responsibility of the other. We cannot get aside that no, I am right, I am doing everything in a proper way, I am the most humble person, I am the most right person, I have never done anything wrong, and I would never do anything wrong. So that is a wrong attitude, because being a human, we can make mistake, and we do make mistake. So first of all, we should be ready to admit our mistake, and secondly, we should ever be ready to help out others in everyone's own capacity, because the capacity of each and every person may be different, and it does have difference. So every man, every woman, every person can play positive role to make this time nearer. क्योंकि सिर्फ ताकतवर हुक्मरान सिर्फ वही लोग नहीं, बट एट द ग्राउंड रियलिटी इज दैट कि हर कोई अपने महाज पर अपनी कैपेसिटी में कहीं ना कहीं कोई नेगेटिव वाइब्स लेके चल रहा होता है, जिससे जो अच्छा टाइम करीब आना होता है वो कुछ और दूर चला जाता है, कुछ स्टेप पीछे ले लेता है. So smallest step help if rightly given. If someone needs our help, that could be the smallest step, but if it is rightly given, if you are not going to ignore them, so that would make that path more stronger. वो जो रास्ता चल रहा है पॉजिटिविटी का, उसमें स्पार्क आएगा, उसमें ग्लो आएगा, और it would go more, it would move more powerfully and more strongly, and one day it would become the most strongest that it would not need any time limit, and the time whose promise the poet is making, that would reach you. You would be able to see that, you would be able to observe it, experience it. But what we need to do is, everybody in his or own capacity, whether small or large, whether on a small scale or on the large scale, everybody has to play his or her role to bring that time more nearer and make it able to do see. ये ना हो कि हम में से कोई भी उस टाइम को ना देख सके, neither us nor our coming generation. So for our coming generation, we do have to take positive steps, right? Thank you. Well, now small home task is assigned to you. You have to do question answer, and you have to do exercise C of idiomatic structures in your copy, right?